So in this video lecture, we are going to install and set up the Terraform on our local machine. So I have already provisioned a EC2 instance with Ubuntu AMI. I'm going to use that machine to set up the Terraform for the lab. So you can see I have provisioned the T2 micro instance here, and this is my public IP. So I already logged in into this machine. Let me update the AMI. Perfect. So everything is updated now. To set up the Terraform, I'm going to use these listed commands which I already have. So if you remember, I told you we can install the version you required of the Terraform. So I'm installing it 11.13, which is here. In this link, you can download the you know package of the Terraform, whatever you require, the Windows, Mac, or Linux. All the packages available here. So if you just click here, you will get the basic package. What exactly you require. If you are a Windows user, you just need to download it. This one. If you are a Linux user, you need to download this one, and the other uh, OS also. Okay. So let me do it quickly. I have listed this command, so I will share those commands with you guys also. Let me run it here. Yeah, my package is available here. Perfect. Now let me unzip it. Okay, unzip is not available. Let's install unzip. Okay, now let's move it to the bin folder so that the executable can run from anywhere. Let's check the Terraform version. Perfect. So Terraform is installed and we are able to see the version. Let's see the command we are able to run or not. Yeah, perfect. So this is how we can install on the Linux machine.